So let's start. So I'm going to pronounce, first I'm pronouncing words that begin with the vowel ah, right? Each word actually exists in the language, and in the card or on the card at the bottom you will see the meaning of that word. But basically I'm not giving all the meanings. I'm giving the principal meaning or meanings of that word. Okay, so let's start. All right, you don't have to see my face, just listening to the word. Ah, that's a word in Spanish. Ah. Voy a hablar. Ah. Abajo. Abajo. Abandonar. Abogada. Abogada. Or abogado. Abogada. Acá. Acaparar. Acaso. Acatarrara. That is hard to pronounce. Especially for an English speaker, that is hard. Because you have all those and then you have the rrr. So acatarrar. Adaptar. Adaptarse. Let me move it up. Afanarse. Agarrar. Agarrarse. For an English speaker, I think pronouncing a word like agarrar is hard because here, listen to the spelling. I'm going to spell it in Spanish. A, G, A, R, A, R. So you have the R, then separated by the vowel A, and then you have the R, which is the single A, single R. So agarrar, agarrarse, ajo, ajo, ala. Some of these words, okay. Amar, amar, alba, alba. I wrote ala twice. I don't know why, but I did. So ala, ala are wings. Amar, like if a man says to you, in my case a man, in some people's case a woman, in other people's case both. But if a person says to you, te amo, that means something very different than te quiero, right? It means something very different. Because once again, Spanish is very different than English. There are levels of emotion that you can express in Spanish that you can't express in English. Because I guess a man, when he would say the difference between te quiero and te amo is, I like you. Well, it's not like, it's like, I love you. But it's much more ligero, But when you say te amo, you are in the bones, right? As I would say in certain brands of English, let's say black English, he's just in my bones, and I can't take him out. Okay. Abrio. Abrir. Okay. Now, I see here I'm in the E's. E in English. Let me do it in Spanish. A. Ebrio. Echar. Echarse. Eco. Edad. Edad is a very interesting word because it can have a number of translations. Like, for example, in English you say, how old are you? Right? Okay, or what's your age? In Spanish you don't say, how old are you? Right? You say, ¿cuántos años tienes? Okay. Edificar, efectivo, ejecutar. Once again, I have a little bit of problems with that, pronouncing the E, the J, and the E, or the A, the J, and the A. Ejecutar, ejercicio, ejercicio. El. Now, el you have to be careful with because el has two meanings. depending on whether it has an accent or doesn't have an accent over the E. Because when you see accents in Spanish, it's only over the vowels. So when it does not have an accent and it's L, A, L, or E-L, it means the, and it's masculine, singular. But when it does have the accent, El means he. It's the subject personal pronoun he. Okay. Okay. Elegante, elote, emancipar, emanciparse, embobarse, embobarse, emergencia. It looks like emergency, but it's not emergency, it's emergencia. Emigrar, it looks like immigrate, but it's emigrar. Okay, and empecinarse. Empecinarse, empeorar, empezar or empezar, but I say empezar. Okay, empresa. Here we're running a little bit out of time, so let me just finish. Even though I skipped some, you should be able to pronounce these words if you understand how to pronounce A, E, O, U. So the last word I'll put is encerrarse. So you're going to notice I have to skip some because I have a lot of words on here. But even though I'm skipping some, you should be able to pronounce those words that I skipped. All right, so when I come back, we're going to look at the letter E, which in English is I, the letter O, which is O, and the letter U, which is U. Okay, once again, I'm leaving things, I don't have anything on the board this time, but I'll leave you, and when I come back, don't forget the letter E, O, and U. So what are the vowels? A, E, O, U. Thank you.